Incoming transmission from Ray.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pakara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pakara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Nominai shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poldan and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pakara.
Right. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General. Stand clear. Dead doors opening now.
All recruits are transported. No need for safety here. It'll just be right. Is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate green-light sequence on deck 3 for the car.
On the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport take off in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-Up. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Two Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Two more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Get ready, you won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
It's a prize to make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Enemies of the First Order. This ship ship is now under the authority of the Supreme Leader. You will disembark and proceed down the corridor to your right for interrogation. Get out. Now.
The colors that I have assigned you are very important. You'll need them later. Don't forget your color. You'll be standing on the same color inside your cell. We will learn the location of your secret base. Judging by the looks of you, it won't take long. Your birthday is canceled. If you are wearing a bag of any kind, take your bag off, hold it in your hand. This will expedite our process. All of you, in the cell, go. Go. You are a horrible spy.
Yes.
You don't even attempt to hide your surveillance equipment.
Exactly.
That's embarrassing.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way. Okay, take this corridor to the trackless, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Crews, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're breaching detention law 3.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
There they are! Fire!
Another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
All personnel to their stations! Sir, the prisoners have escaped!
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think you have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, Scaffery's calling.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from Key Command personnel. Where's the lieutenant?
I need eyes on Beck.
Tracking that pod in the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? I gotta think about this.
No, sir. He came down in the wreckage sector.
He must have backed out of this operation. If anything happened to him,
Scans last show him in Sector 4.
you should have waited for him.
Sir, you had no choice. You had to get them.
Lieutenant back there. Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance Bank